Hello friends. Today from the subject physics we have to discuss the chapter electrostatics. From that we have to discuss the point electrical energy of 2-point charges and of a dipole in an electrostatic field. Here, first of all, we have to discuss about this potential energy. Here, for that, we have to consider two like charges. These like charges lie at infinity, distance from each other. Their potential energy is zero because there is no work has to be done in moving the charge at infinite distance from the other. But when they are brought closer to each other, work has to be done against the force of repulsion, as electrostatic force is conservative, and this work done is stored in the form of potential energy. Now we define the term electrical potential energy of a system of two charges. Electrical potential energy of a system of a point charge is defined as the total amount of work done to assemble the system of charges by bringing them from infinity to their present location. Now we discuss the point potential energy of a system of 2-point charges. For that, we consider the two charges. Those charges are Q1 and Q2. Here we consider the two charges Q1 and Q2. This Q1 is placed at point A, having position vector r1. Q2 is placed at point B, having position vector r2, where r12 is a distance between the point A and B. Here O be the origin of this system. Now these two charges Q1 and Q2 are having position vectors r1, r2 that originate from the point O. To calculate the potential energy of this system, we have to assume that the charge Q1 and Q2 are first at infinity. We have to bring them from infinity to their position given location. Now first we bring the charge Q1. Now we first bring the charge Q1 to the position A, having position vector r1. There is no work done. Hence work done W1 is equal to 0, and this charge produce the potential energy in a space will be V1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 upon R1. The potential energy will be this charge produce the potential energy that will be V1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 upon R1, where R1 is the distance of this point A from the origin. Now we bring the charge Q2 from infinity to the point BR2. Here there is work is done, and that work done W2 will be equal to potential at point B due to the charge Q1 into Q2. Therefore, from this equation we write Q1 upon 1 pi Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R12 into Q2. This work done in bringing the two charges to their present location is stored as the potential energy of the configuration will be U is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12. This is the general equation of the for the system of 2-point charges. Here we discuss about only two charges. Now we have to discuss for the n-point charges. For the n-point charges. Here we in the first topic we have to discuss only about these 2 points where the charge Q1 and Q2 are present. Now we consider the charge Q3 is also present at this position C, having position vector R3. There we bring this charge from infinity to the point C, having position vector R3. Their work has to be done against the force Q1 Q2, where W3 will be the work done, and this work done will be equal to potential at C due to Q1 Q2 into Q3 will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 upon R13 plus Q2 upon R23 into Q3. Now we solve this equation. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught as it is, Q1 Q3 upon R13, Q2 Q3 upon R23. Similarly, if we bring the charge, fourth charge Q4 from infinity to the position D, that work done W4 will be given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q4 upon R14 plus Q2 Q4 upon R24, Q3 Q4 upon R34. In general, we say that the total energy U is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught sum of all the pairs into Q1 Qj Qk upon Rjk. Call this equation number 4.